Calm and steady, and always watch the horizon. Security never stops. Prepared like the outdoors, alert, resilient, and ready for anything. Strength isn't loud, it's steady, watchful, and grounded. That's security. Like in the wilderness, respect the environment and stay vigilant. Built for the outdoors, trusted in security in general, ready for the unexpected. Just like the outdoors, security is about awareness, respect, and readiness. Stay sharp, stay grounded, and staying safe around you and for others of the public line. Real strength is quiet, steady, and always in prepared. Security stands ready no matter the terrain. A prepared mind, strong hearts, and calm presence that what keeps people safe. Security isn't just a job, it's a mindset, like an outdoorsman, patient, observant, and resilient.